Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to talk about two mandatory investments that you have to do in your life before you invest anywhere else. What are those two mandatory investments? So before you invest in any lands or before you invest in any stock market or you invest any amount in FDs, RDs, etc., 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 the first two investments that you have to do in your life first are in health insurance and term insurance. So let me explain more about this health and term insurances now. So the first one is health insurance. So this is the number one investment that you have to do in your life before you invest anywhere else. Okay, that is health insurance. So that too, you have to insure every member in your family. Okay, you have to make sure that every member in your family is insured for health. Fine. So what happens generally is we earn money and we keep earning money and we save that money and all. And one fine day comes, whether you or one of your family members have to you know pay the cost. That is, they may have to go through some health consequences because of which they have to join the hospitals. Okay, depending on whatever the disease they get or whatever the health problem they face. Okay, it all depends. You'll not be able to even decide the best doctor, best hospital for yourself. Okay, so if you are not health insured, okay, if you are not insured against your health, then the situations, a typical kind of situations may arise where deadly diseases may come, deadly problems, health problems may come, where those problems will make your life up and down. Okay, whatever the amount you earn so far doesn't matter. All will go into the vein, and even you may be in negative amount. You have to bring some loans from here and there, and all those stuff may happen. So the number one thing that everyone has to do in their life is, no matter what ever you are earning, first get the health insurance. Okay, first make yourself and your family members insured. Okay, insured against health. Okay, so that's the reason, guys. You have to insure. So most of the people may think that, okay, I'm working in a company and the company is covering the health insurance for me and my family also. But is that enough? Do you think the company covering the health insurance for you is enough? Let's say we don't know the future, right? So what happens generally is, maybe after 10 years or 12 years of your working, suddenly you may have to leave the company. Okay, you don't want to work anywhere. Then if you try outside for health insurance at that time, no one may, no company of the health insurance may come before you and give you the health insurance, even though you are ready to pay the amount. Okay. Maybe by the time your age may be more, or your family may not qualify for whatever it is, or the insurance amount is very high. Situations may happen, guys. So make sure that when you join the job, okay, apart from whatever the company where you are working is covering you for the health insurance, you also get your own health insurance. Okay, I used to get shocked, like why people are holding two insurances. One is provided by their company and other one is they are opting by themselves. Okay, they are paying some extra amount by themselves personally. Okay, so make sure that you invest it personally, guys. Apart from, even though whether the company gives or not doesn't matter wherever you are working, but the day will come when you have to leave the company. You may not be the completely working in the companies, right? Some time will come, at some point of age you may have to come out of the company and no one will be ready to give you the insurance. Okay, if you really want also. So it's better that you maintain your personal insurance, you take personal insurance in terms of health, and along with that you hold the company insurance, which is mandatory at the companies generally. Okay, so health insurance is very important, guys. Whether you are working in a company or whether you are not working in a company, take personal insurance and go with different insurance companies. Good famous ones are there in the market, like HDFC, ICICI, Lombard. Okay, so HDFC Ergo, such kind of good quality. Okay, don't go for insurance companies, which are offering some better, lesser kind of amount, and the day comes when you or your family members get hospitalized, complete amount may not be covered. So better go with good companies. Just compare the different health insurance companies and go opt for the best one in the market. Okay, best one in the market. Don't compromise here, because this is the first investment you are doing in your life. Okay, and this must be the first investment that you have to do in your life. Okay, before you invest anywhere, the first investment that you have to do in your life is health insurance. After that, only other investment types will come. The other one, what is the other one? Term insurance. Term insurance is the other one. Okay. So it will be kind of, term insurance will not cost you much in the beginning. Okay. And that is kind of fixed actually. Okay. So there used to be some time when I also had made a mistake, like, because whoever is working in the companies, right, they don't know much about what is term insurance. Unnecessarily, we are paying the money. We used to calculate the money, right? Whatever we get and whatever we are losing, we'll be in that kind of mindset. Even I was in that kind of mindset. So, but luckily, I took it some time back, but not at the earliest. Okay, you would have taken it at the earliest, would have paid very less amount every year. Okay, I delayed it by 5 to 6 years. Okay, so because of which my amount that I have to pay for holding this term insurance got increased. So term insurance is very important, and this should be a second investment. Okay, after health insurance, every month everyone must and should hold the term insurance. Okay, so why this term insurance is important is, so you let's say you are the one who is who is earning amount in your family, and then other people in your family are just dependents. Okay, whether you have a lot of money at your home doesn't matter, guys. Okay, and the people who has a lot of loans, and who has a lot of loans and paying a lot of EMIs, right? It is very important for them, must for them to go for term insurance. But the people who doesn't have any loans and all, not paying any EMI, still they need to take the this term insurance, because if something happens for you, your family will be in a bad position. Okay, so you should be kind of in a cool way of leading the life, where you should know that even though I don't exist, I am not there anymore. Okay, I should talk about this open, guys. Okay, we came here on this earth for a temporary time. Okay, we are not permanent here, but we go through some some kind of relations, and everything will be there in our life. And when you are suddenly cut off from our life, okay, will not be here, and your family will be the one who has to bear the pain. Okay, so make sure that you have the term insurance. Okay, you are insured against this term insurance, that is life insurance. People call it as life insurance, term insurance, whatever it is. And that to take in the beginning days of your career. Okay, when you're working in a company, in the beginning days, if you take, right, you will get it for just 3,000, 5,000, 6,000. Okay, but if you delay it a lot, the amount will rise. Okay, if you take it at nowadays, it's very costly also. Term insurance, life insurance has become costly also. So try to take in the beginning days of your career, so that you will be paying very less amount over a period of time. Okay, every year you have to pay that fixed amount. Okay, initially when you take the term insurance, if you are paying only 4,000 or 5,000, right, let's say, right, next year also 5,000, after 10 years also 5,000, after 20 years also 5,000. Okay, you can be insured against 1 crore, 2 crore. Okay, depending on the situations in the market. Okay, so just make yourself insured. Okay, so no matter how much money you are earning and all, suddenly if you are cut off from this world, so your family, it may be your parents, it may be your wife, it may be your children, has to go through the pain. Okay, because their finances won't be good, and you are not there to serve them. Okay, that kind of situations they may have to face, whether you have, whatever it may be the situations, guys, better to have a term insurance, guys. Okay, better to have a term insurance, because they don't have to just put their hands before anyone else. Okay, when you leave the world, your family members don't have to put their hands before anyone for the money. So make sure you have the health insurance first, whether your company is giving or not. You must and should have your own personal health insurance. Okay, take these things very seriously, guys. Before you invest anywhere, invest in lands, invest in stock market, whatever it is, doesn't matter. Before you invest your money anywhere, first you invest in health insurance, second you invest in term insurance. These are the must and should, two must and should insurances everyone should and must have. Okay, as a beginner, if you watch this video, Okay, you may not have a calculation, like, you may be feeling that why should I waste the money on this health and term, but okay, don't take that for granted, guys. Situations will happen in life, whether you are younger or elder, doesn't matter. You or your family members have to go through the health problems, or some kind of situations may come in our life that we cannot handle, and your life will become up and down if you don't have this health and term insurance. Okay, even before you have the insurance for your bike or any automobile or any other things, first have the health insurance and term insurance, guys. That's very, very, very important. Okay, step you have to take in your life as part of investments. Before you start any investment journey, first have the health insurance and term insurance. Okay, first. So hope you got some idea about the insurance, the first investments that you should and must do in your life in the first priority basis before you start any investments in this video. So hope you will take insurance if you have not taken so far. Okay, after watching this video, yeah, if you have not taken any insurance, better take the insurance, guys. Okay, these two insurances, health and term insurances, as your first investments in your life, no matter what state you are. Okay, first have them, then go to the next level. Think about the next level after taking this health and term insurance first. So that's all for this session, guys. Hope you like this session and video and the advice that I have given you in this video from my experience. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.